Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a plan with me. This is such an old video, and I'm sorry if it's a little bit more echoey than normal. I'm going to try and talk a little quieter and a little bit closer to the mic, but I'm actually filming in my kitchen. The only reason for that is I just feel more comfortable at home now. I just kind of want to chill, but yeah, so that's why it might be a little bit more echoey, but I'm getting a lot more done at home. So that's where we're at. So this week I am using, I believe this was August mystery, possibly. I want to say August. For some reason, I also kind of want to say July. But I'm using a rose gold foil, which I haven't used rose gold foil in forever. But I decided that if there was a spread that needed rose gold foil, it was this one. I love this collection so much. And again, this was a mystery kit, so it is not available in shop. Usually mystery kits we do keep exclusive to the mysteries for about a year. I did just release and reformat the October mystery for last year, and I have a couple other ones that I have reformatted and ready to release whenever they are a year old. It's kind of fun then too, because I do reformat them and kind of usually change up the boxes a little. I feel like there might have been one that I didn't change up the boxes, but I don't remember what that was. But for the most part, I do change up the full boxes when I reformat them, so it kind of gives it a new life and look. So if you used it before and you want to use it again, it's not the exact same as before. So for this spread, like I said, I'm using the rose gold foil. I'm using rose gold bougie boxes, a rose gold wiggle, rose gold scripts, rose gold everything, and I just think it turned out really pretty with the pink color that is featured throughout this kit, and I just think it looks so pretty all together. This week I was 5 weeks pregnant, in case you are wondering, and I will be adding that after the video is over to the sidebar. That's kind of what that space is for. And a lot of people were asking what it was for and why it was blank, so I was like, it's a countdown, which it's kind of true, but kind of not, but kind of true. So on the sidebar, I just did my normal 3 full boxes, 2 full boxes and a tall box, and then my little area for my countdown, and then I just put a half box for something fun that week, and this week I just put in ultimate cuddles. So let's go ahead into day by day. I'm just going to start day by day, and it'll catch up in the video, I think, possibly. Who knows, actually. I never know really what to talk about during this time, but we'll just move on. So on Monday, I did work, and then we got Bush's chicken. Bush's chicken has been one of the easiest things to eat, because usually I just get their mashed potatoes, and their mashed potatoes are really good. Mashed potatoes have been the key to this pregnancy, that and cereal, because it's so bland that I can eat it and not feel heartburn and indigestion. I've been having the worst stomach problems, and just today my doctor was you should probably just take some Tums, and I was that's a great idea, so let's try that, and it actually kind of worked. So that's where we're at with that. Then I had a blood work appointment. I had so many blood work appointments. It was one of the things that Kirsten said. She's yeah, I knew you were pregnant because this, and this. And then she's yeah, and also you're getting your blood work done a lot. So either you were dying or pregnant. And I was yeah, one or the other, but so much blood work. So then we also went to go see Good Boys. Nick and I did. And it was really funny. I liked it better. I think there was another, Booksmart came out about around the same time. And the trailers came out so close that everyone kind of was mixing them up a little, or just kind of having association with each other. And I definitely like Good Boys better than Booksmart, and I know a lot of people like Booksmart, so sorry. It was cute, but not cute, but it was funny, but not as funny as Good Boys. I also probably think because I just imagine Bubba at that age just being a fool like them. Then I put in nap with Fam, and then I put in playtime with Bennett. And then I watched Secret Obsession, which has Brenda's song in it, and it's just a Netflix, I think it's a Netflix movie, I'm pretty sure it is. It's that kind of quality. But I watched that. It was not a good movie, but if you're bored, go for it, because what do you have to lose? And then I worked in my bullet journal, which I actually haven't touched my bullet journal in 100 years now, but that's okay. One day I'll get back there. Then on Tuesday, Nick and I went to Bakery Lorraine in the morning. I don't remember if Bennett went with us. He may have. I don't remember, but it was really good. They have good breakfast there, and it's right across the street, so it totally works. What was that noise? I don't know. Then I had Bush's chicken again, which just consists of mashed potatoes. I filmed, and then I put in my feelings. Why was in my feelings? I don't remember. This was 2 months ago. Literally at today's October 21st. That was the 20th of August. I have no idea what any of this is about anymore. Then I had a Target run, and I cooked and baked that night. I probably baked cookies, like the kind that you just put on a tray and put in, because that's the kind of baking I do. And then I cooked probably like an actual meal. And then I put in Bachelor in Paradise. On Wednesday, I had Whataburger, probably for breakfast. I really like their chicken biscuit thing, but I also like their biscuit and gravy, so it's probably one or the other. Bennett also really likes the biscuit and gravy. He kind of likes everything that I like when it comes to food. He actually likes a lot of things, but a lot of the things I like. And then I did put in film, and I decluttered my stickers this day. I also took a nap, watched more Bachelor in Paradise, which I don't know if I'm going to watch next season of Bachelor in Paradise, but I don't have any desire to watch The Bachelor or The Bachelorette anymore. Just not interested. I feel like as far as reality TV goes, I'm like pretty set with like 90 Day Fiance. It's so good. I feel like there's something else I watch that's like reality TV, but I don't remember. Jersey Shore. So good. There's other ones that like I watch. Chris Lee Knows Best, but I haven't watched that in a while. And I also watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians, but I haven't been keeping up with them. So those would be something that I binge later whenever I have absolutely no TV shows to watch, which I feel like has been recently, but I haven't been in the mood to watch them. But also me and Jessica and I were in New York, and we watched one episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and it's one of those shows where like you could not watch it for 100 years, but then when you watch one episode, you're like, what else is going to happen? I need to know. So that is that. Then I went ahead and put in, it was Wiggle Wednesday. So while now that my releases are all on one day, my life is so much easier now. Y'all don't have any idea. It's just like so much easier. And then I put in Happy Birthday because that day was Bree's birthday, I believe. Yes, Bree's birthday. So I put that in. And then on Thursday, I put in that I had a rough night, and then I designed during the day. I feel like recently I haven't been like marking designing like in my past spreads that I just did that are going to be like a fast forward type thing. Like you won't even see the spreads eventually whenever I put them on my planner Instagram. In 100 years you will, but I haven't been marking it down as much because I feel like I don't do as many like binge design days unless I'm traveling, because I like to do it on the plane because it makes time go really fast. But if art comes out, I just try and do it either when Bennett is at school or whenever he's asleep. So I try and just do them as I can, and I'm so far ahead that normally like all of the custom art that I get, I can kind of do leisurely. And then because it's for so far out, like June mystery of next year, July mystery of next year, like custom kits that are like anytime that I just like have 30 of ready to go at any time if I don't have something to release. Like it is insane over here. So I don't ever feel pressured to like need to design something unless it's art that comes out from like an artist and then like everybody has access to it. That's the only time that I'm like, all right, I need to do this now. I need to send it to Kirsten now so she could print it and cut it and you know everything. So that is the only time that I'm rushed, which isn't super often, maybe like once a week or twice a week or every other week twice or something. But yeah, so that's just a long tangent on designing. And then I feel like there could have been a better word for design, but I feel like I started to use the word design like 4 years ago probably, and it just stuck. But I don't know, like curating, I guess that would have been a word, but curating is just like a weird word that I don't even probably know how to spell. Probably would have learned by now, but you know, you live and you learn. I put in Sims 4 because I played Sims 4 for all of 2 hours. I think Jessica mentioned something to me, or like I mentioned something to Jessica, and then I was like, oh, I could play The Sims, and then I played it for 2 hours and was like, I'm bored. So I stopped doing that. And then we had Cuban for either lunch or dinner. I'm going to say lunch probably. Cuban food that we get around here is pretty good. And then we went to Walmart, Yum Thingy, that was lunch. Family cuddles, bath, Jersey Shore, your normal night. Friday, again, I had Bush's chicken. Again, probably just the mashed potatoes. But I love the little toffee banana sticker I use. You'll see it eventually. It's adorable. And then I put in design again, new releases, and I paint my nails. I haven't painted my nails probably since the time that I wrote paint my nails on there. That was probably the last time I painted my nails because I'm lazy. Then we had Jack Allen, and I cuddled with Bubba, and I went to bed early. I am so thirsty right now, but I'm about to finish this because I'm on a roll. On Saturday, we had IHOP for breakfast. I designed, I cuddled with Bubba, and then I had Wendy's. I'm like the queen of takeout right now because 2 months ago. Excuse me, I just burped. 2 months ago, I was like so just not in the mood. I've actually cooked the past couple of nights and it's been very nice. I'm making chicken noodle soup in my Instapot tonight, which I've never used my Instapot before, but I like bought all this stuff to make chicken noodle soup, assuming that I had my crock pot, but I remember I gave my crock pot away because I was like, I'm gonna be an Instapot person. And then I like panicked because I bought all this stuff and I was like, well, I guess today is the day I'm gonna learn how to use an Instapot. So wish me luck. But yeah, so Wendy's, Nap Queen, bath, Grand Lux for dinner. I think that day I got really bad heartburn because I got like the spaghetti from Grand Lux, which anything like pasta related is just like really bad idea right now. Anything with tomato, so pizza, ketchup, pasta sauce, like anything with tomato, no bueno for me. And then bed with Bennett, which I've been doing a lot recently. When I write bed with Bennett, normally I like stay up, like Nick will put Bennett to bed and then I'll stay up and do work and then Nick gets up and does whatever he wants to do. But a lot of the times during this pregnancy, I just went to bed with Bennett because it's like, that's a good time for me to go to bed. As long as I don't take a nap during the day, because if I take a nap during the day, 90% of the time I'm like not tired enough to fall asleep and I'll just like lay there awake, but like still tired. So if I don't take a nap, I could conk out at like 8 p.m. It's fantastic. Then on Sunday, I put in sleep in and work. We haven't slept in. Like, I haven't slept in at all. I feel like when Bennett wakes up, he's like, Mom, wake up, get up, get up. And he like pushes me off my pillow. He's aggressive and bossy. So then work, and then I had more mashed potatoes. I just put mashed potatoes. I don't remember, maybe I made mashed potatoes or something, that it wasn't Bush's chicken, or I just wanted to like highlight the mashed potato part. And then we went to go see the Goonies at the Alamo Draft House. They had like a special showing, which was super fun. And then we went to Target, and then I put in Cuddle Bee, and then I had a bath. And that is everything for this week. I promise whenever I get to being like not super far behind that I probably will have more stories, but honestly I don't remember any of this, so I'm just going off of like what is going on, you know? So that's everything for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Again, I'm sorry if it was terrible, but I'm trying. Thank you guys. Bye.